Alright, so now you have to tell me about the guy who didn't cook breakfast.
Let me tell you, I do not play behind my food. I need you to always feed me. He asked me to come over, and I should have never went over there. That was the kicker. I shouldn't have went. But I went over there, and I was like, okay. And he was like, he was supposed to cook me dinner that night. But instead, because it was so late, he ended up not cooking me dinner.
So you didn't eat at all? Oh no, now I would have been no wonder you're offended. And then no food in the morning?
And then he had the nerve to tell me, oh, my back really, really hurt. I'm about to go to the hospital.
You know why? That's because you're not eating right.
Like,
Maybe if you were eating right, you wouldn't have a bad back.
like, I was very mad. Like, y'all don't understand how bad I was. I was very mad. I told him this was a waste of my time.
Alright, so I'm gonna start with the BNTC brown.
You will never see me again.
You're not gonna see him ever again.
Never again. He only gonna see me on Instagram.
I'm gonna wash this one a little bit all over.
And then
What happened?
I had another dude that did not feed me, and I went off on him. We were
You had food. You know, you so serious about food. Yeah, but you know what? Isn't that like part of the date? Like, I don't understand that. It's like if somebody comes to my house, first thing I ask them, are you hungry? Do you want something to eat? Do you want something to drink? It's like courtesy, like you have manners. When you don't feed a woman you're on a date with, it's like you have no home training. Where'd you come from? Were you raised by wolves? What's going on? What's this?
And this dude was from like right around the corner from where I stayed at, so he knew better than to not feed no woman.
I'm putting on the glitter stick.
So what I did? This eyeliner. I was putting on a brown eyeliner because they said do some brown eyeliner.
Yeah, we can only use the. Try our gray one. Mix the gray and the black. I'll try it. It's this shade brown. You know, there's also for brown eyeliner, there's a trick. You can use a little bit of brown eyeshadow under the eye as well. So you could still line with black, like the BNTC Ninja, and then you would just use a little bit of brown under the eye.